Hello, I like to add something about the previous lecture to explain more simple. For the previous lecture was displaying a single line of text with multiple statement. We are going to have system out print Java underline 1 system out print line Java 2 semicolon system out print line is Java 3, and here we have forgotten print. Now here it's more space. Let's run. Now what? Here in this print it will print Java underline 1, and we have space here in command line, and after it's printing this character string, it will be continue immediately the next character to print Java underline 2. It will be not going to next line, but it will be continue to the next character here in this line. When we use print line, it will be print this, and cursor in this command window it will be sent to move in the next line. Here, can you see? Thank you for watching my video, and I wish very all the best.